In this video, you will learn how to auto-split in CapCut. Open CapCut on your device, launch the CapCut app on your PC or mobile device, then open the project you want to edit. Import or select the video clip. Tap Import for a new video or select an existing clip or your profile's timeline that you want to auto-split. Access Auto-Split tool. In the editing toolbar, locate and tap on Auto-Split. Beat Edit or Auto-Cut option. This may vary depending on your CapCut version. Auto-Split settings. You can adjust them. Choose your preferred split interval or let CapCut directly detect scene changes or beats in the video. Apply the auto-split feature. Tap Apply or confirm and let CapCut automatically split your video into multiple clips based on your chosen settings. Review and fine-tune the splits. Once the audio split is complete, review the clip in the timeline and make any necessary manual adjustments with smoother transitions. Now you know how to auto-split in CapCut. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.